Crinum augustum, Queen Emma, commonly known as Queen Emma giant spider lily, is native to tropical Southeast Asia. The plant is commonly grown in Mexico's hot lowlands. Its fragrant white star-shaped flowers, with purple on the back of the petals, are borne on large inflorescences on red stems. The handsome, strappy foliage arises from giant fleshy bulbs, which can weigh as much as 20 pounds. The broad, dark maroon tinted leaves are centered with a depressed midvein that runs the entire length of the leaf. They perform best in full sun and moist, organically rich, well-drained soil. Best growth occurs in full sun, but some light shade is appreciated during the heat of the day in hot summer areas. An excellent choice for moist areas of the garden near ponds and streams. Good companion plants for Queen Emma include plants that show their best advantage with low plants around the base. So consider blue days, sweet potato vine, coral creeper, and dwarf oyster plants. As with almost all lilies, Crinum lilies, their entire plant, are toxic to humans and pets alike. The entire genus can be deadly to cats, while symptoms range from mild to moderate for dogs and humans. A few grains of pollen is all it takes for some species to cause kidney failure in cats. Perhaps the most toxic part is the bulb, which can grow massive and has earned many species the nickname of poison bulb.